Introducing the Polar Vortex Blizzard, an amazing snap-on technology that nearly doubles your snowmaking capability using the same amount of water. The Blizzard, or PVB-1, attaches in seconds to nearly every make and model of snowmaking gun or fan. It requires no electricity, and there is nothing to tweak, calibrate, or adjust. Just snap it in place and get ready to make the best snow on Earth. You will be able to create better snow over a wider temperature range, so you can get more skiable days in your season. You can open earlier and close later. By extending your ski season, the Blizzard pays for itself quickly, and with our easy lease program, there is little upfront expense. It couldn't be easier. The Polar Vortex Blizzard recreates the environment in nature's snow clouds to achieve perfect conditions for snow production. Normal snowmaking technology can lose 75% of its water to evaporation as soon as it leaves the gun, wasting your most precious resource. But our patented technology decreases the water droplet size and increases the surface area by 69%, so it freezes instantly. You get a denser, more finely textured snow that stays put and lasts longer on the trails.
This is by far the greatest tool that have ever been available for any kind of snow gun. You could put on any snow gun. You could put on any fan gun. You could actually put it on a snowcat if you'd like. This thing makes killer snow.
Killer snow.
This is a side-by-side demonstration of the PVB-1 at Cannon Mountain in New Hampshire. You can plainly see how much more snow is created with the Blizzard.
With this device, we hope to make the best snow anywhere, to be able to have the best skiing possible known to mankind.
The Polar Vortex Blizzard works with all existing equipment, snaps on in seconds, makes 75% more snow, offers reduced energy and water consumption, and offers you a quick return on your investment. Polar Vortex also offers you a free 30-day demonstration before you make a decision and a flexible, easy lease program to reduce your upfront expense and make it easier to get started. Begin your ski season with the Polar Vortex Blizzard, making the best snow on Earth. Call or contact us today.